Sheldon, what do you expect us to do?
You're biologists. Biology is a study of living things. That's a living thing. Get cracking.
I specialize in microorganisms and Amy studies brains.
Yeah, neither of us minored in bird shoeing.
Oh, come now. Your undergraduate work must have included a varmints and critters class.
Come back in, Sheldon. He's not going to hurt you. He looks friendly. I think he might be someone's pet.
But no, Bernadette, don't be a hero.
Oh, he's a sweetie.
Yes, it's very sweet. Now, slowly and carefully, flush him down the toilet.
Sheldon, the only way to get past this fear is to interact with it, just like you did with the mailman.
Every year, tens of people around the world are killed by birds. I'm not going to be another statistic.
Look how sweet he is. Come over and say hi. Come on. You can do it. Don't be scared. Oh, just pet the bird, you big baby.
I did it. I actually did it. Okay, now flush him.